Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing to do for this Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have another one. I'm not sure where this is coming from. About to find out. And you guys could get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. Check them out and see what else they have to offer. Now the holidays are full in effect. We got Turkey Day coming. Black Friday, and Santa Claus, and we could get one of these. Oh boy, what is this? Whoa, now these are some nice pair. It's called Bliiq Hummingbird Wireless. Look at this packaging, really nice. We got sweat proof, quick charge. 10-minute charge. Whoa. 1 hour continuous playback. That's really good. Ambient mode. Oh, okay. Ultra long battery. Wireless Bluetooth. Alright, let's take a look and see what this is. Definitely excited for this one. So definitely links will be down below. Check them out. Definitely a lot cheaper than those Beats. Probably a better quality too. Instead of spending the big bucks, save some bucks and get a pair of these. How do I open? Hold on one sec. Oh, I found it out. Side there, flippy. Holy smokes. Look at these bad boys. Now this is some fancy dancy. How do we open? Where do we open from here? Did I get it? There we go. Get out. Why won't you get out? Alrighty, YouTubers, take a look at this. We got it out of the package. All I gotta do is remove this one. Look at these. Got the music notes. Can't wait to take a look at how they feel. These are some nice ones right here. Alright. Look at how packaged it is. We got the Earbuds replacement. We got a 2-pack right there. 1, 2, so that's really good. We got the USB charge. And a really nice traveling pouch. Look at that. Really cool. Bliiq. There you go. Yeah, these are definitely light. And I got my second phone. We're gonna hook it up. Should be easy connection with the Bluetooth, just like the others. So, but I like the quick charge. We're gonna take this off. Maybe. There we go. Alright. So we got those, got the manual. We don't need a manual. Simple turn on. Let's see. Nice push buttons. They're pretty 3D. Got kind of like a glitter gloss. It's pretty cool. Wait, there it goes. Alright, let's pull up my Bluetooth menu. Should have tons of Bluetooth stuff on it. Okay. See, there, search. Boom. Hummingbird. Click on it. Should pair it up. And then hit done. And unlock. And add as trusted. Can't show you my password. Here we go. And it is Hummingbird. Now I can't play it over here, so I'm going to listen to it for a minute. Be right back. Wow, these are impressive. I hooked them up, had it going on for a little bit. Really clear vocals you can hear. Great bass. I listen to hip hop, so that had a really nice bass to it. Quick charge, really comfortable in the earlobes. So it all depends on what kind of music you like, but definitely these are nice ones. I'm really happy with these. These will be my new favorite pair. Look at that, it's pretty cool. Also the design. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Like I said, really easy to hook up. Quick charge, got that going on. Long last. I forgot how many hours it said, but definitely really comfortable for wearing it around the earlobes. And great sound, great bass. The treble's perfect. And like I said, pretty cool. And right here is the USB. That's where you hook it up, charge it. So definitely check them out. Links will be down below. YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good day. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time, just for stocking stuffers. A really cool box. Hummingbird. The Elite. Like I said, don't spend your money on those Drays or Beats or whatever they're called. These are definitely amazing little pieces of equipment to have. Great for phone calls, probably with Alexa and Google. So definitely check them out. YouTubers, be safe. Have a good weekend, and see ya.